Hi everyone, and welcome to my video on how to count carbs for insulin management. If you have diabetes and you take insulin, it's important to know how to count carbs. Carb counting is the process of estimating the number of grams of carbohydrates in a food or meal. This information is then used to calculate your insulin dose. There are a few different ways to count carbs. In this video, I will teach you the most common method, which is to use the nutrition facts label on food packaging. To count carbs using the nutrition facts label, first find the total carbohydrate number. This number includes all types of carbs, including sugar, starch, and fiber. Next, look at the serving size. The serving size is the amount of food that the manufacturer considers to be one serving. If you are going to eat more than one serving, you will need to multiply the number of carbs by the number of servings. For example, if the nutrition facts label says that a serving of cereal has 15 grams of carbs and you are going to eat 2 servings, you will need to multiply 15 by 2, which equals 30 grams of carbs. Once you know the number of carbs in the food or meal, you can use your insulin-to-carb ratio to calculate your insulin dose. Your insulin-to-carb ratio is the number of units of insulin you need to take for every 15 grams of carbs. For example, if your insulin-to-carb ratio is 1:15, and you're going to eat 30 grams of carbs, you will need to take 2 units of insulin. It's important to note that your insulin-to-carb ratio may change over time, so it's important to talk to your doctor or diabetes educator to get your personalized ratio. In addition to counting carbs, there are a few other things you can do to make carb counting easier and more accurate. First, it's helpful to have a carb counting guide or app. This will help you to quickly look up the carb content of different foods. Second, it's a good idea to weigh your food whenever possible. This will help you to get an accurate measurement of the amount of carbs you are eating. Finally, it's important to practice carb counting regularly. The more you do it, the easier it will become. I hope this video has helped you to learn how to count carbs for insulin management. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more diabetes education content. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who have diabetes. Thank you for watching.